Class was founded in September 2009, and we specialize in installing GPS fleet tracking and dash camera systems in commercial fleet vehicles.
Since we started in 2009, we have over 40,000 vehicles serviced, and we hope to be at the 1 million mark in 5 years.
I love working for Top Class. This is the best job I've had to this day. I love dealing with vehicles. I love working on cars. I love installing, gaining more experience. You know, the people that I work with and I work around help me become a better installer and a better person. I wake up every day and I have no problem working.
I've been here for 5 years now. Have no plans to going anywhere else. It's always different every day. You know, you see different people, different sites. It's not the same 9 to 5 work grind. You know, you're constantly moving. You're not just sitting in one place at a desk.
Hay días que son un poco duros, otros días son suaves. Es mejor que uno está sentado en una oficina o una tienda el día entero esperando que lleguen las 6, las 7 de la noche.
Tomorrow, 8 a.m. I could be in Connecticut, and then 11 o'clock I'll be in Jersey or upstate, and 5 o'clock I might be back in the Bronx, you know? That's the thing, like with this job, you never know. It's never a set schedule, that's kind of why I like it.
I enjoy working for Top Class, mostly because of the flexibility, because I get to work from home. I also don't live in New York, I live out of state, but I like the flexibility of being able to come back and see my family here.
One of the first things that Jimmy actually told me is that I can work in an amusement park, I can work in my friend's car, or I can work on the beach. It doesn't matter, as long as the work is getting done. So one of my favorite parts about this job is that I can take it anywhere.
We may not be able to see each other all the time as much as other companies do, where they work in the same office every day, 5 days a week. But I think that we still keep that communication really strong, even without having to see each other face to face. All the team members are really unique.
They make you feel like a family when you're working for this company. You know, you're able to joke around, whether it's with Tom and Jimmy.
It's fun. A lot of guys, you know, we all have to bring our own personalities to it, so at the end of the day, it's a fun atmosphere.
It's a great balance between family and business, because like even after work, my coworkers, well, I call them my friends, but we hang out after work, or if it's like we go on a big project, you know, everybody gets along great.
Tom and Jimmy are really passionate about this company and about the work that we do. You could tell that they really do care about their employees.
We're not going through 100 channels to get to, you know, our superiors. We have direct lines to the top people, and they always have the right answer for us.
They want to hear from you, and when they grow, they ask for your opinion. They don't just go ahead and do changes without asking you.
People's voices are heard in our company. We take that very seriously. If someone feels that the way we currently do stuff can be done better, we constantly listen to the ways to improve and make the job experience better, you know, for the customer, but also make the job experience better for our employees.
Tom is a person that you don't only have to speak to him when it comes to working terms. If I want to text Tom at 10 at night on a day off, he'll be able to respond to me when it has nothing to do with work.
Hay que tener proyección. Uno quiere escalar. Vuelvo y reitero, digo, como yo trabajo en otra tienda, llega un momento que tú te estancas, ya tú no vas para ningún lado. Yo creo que aquí hay más oportunidades de tú crecer, cambiar de nivel.
I think that the industry will keep growing. I think the company will keep growing. I think there's a lot of room to grow and improve. And as we keep expanding, you know, obviously more opportunities are going to keep popping up all over the place, more job opportunities, and we're always trying to bring in new people.
I now find great joy in being able to build a company, build a team, and watch those people who are employed by my business prosper and grow. Top Class affects not only myself and my partner Jimmy as owners, but everyone who works for us. It affects their families greatly. You know, we're able to put food on the table. for 15 people plus all of their significant others. That's impacting the world. You know, we're a small business. We're a tiny fish in the sea, but we impact a lot of people on a daily basis.